At Zigurat Global Institute of Technology, we always want to be one step forward, innovating not only in our program's content, but also in our methodology, in the way we provide and teach education. That's the reason we choose Canvas LMS to be our online campus, as well as many other prestigious institutions worldwide has already opted for it. Together with Zigurat, Canvas, and our internationally faculty board members, we design a dynamic academic path that makes the learning process a truthful, transformative experience. Canvas is user-friendly and intuitive, optimizes the learning journey, and maximizes personalization. Nonetheless, it allows to improve our programs and increase student satisfaction.
In the past, I used other learning platforms, and Canvas makes a remarkable difference. We can be aware of their activities, learning path, homework. We make it very personalized follow-up, given the specific tool that each student needs. It allows us to anticipate solutions in case of necessity. Keeping an active follow-up, we are able to keep a closer look into the student's progress, multiplying options from continuous evaluation, assessing individual projects and tests. Also, their active participation in forums and measuring impact in the teamwork collaboration. Furthermore, it's a great direct line with students. It feels like a traditional lecture, but enhanced by technology. No need to keep up with schedules. Instead, you will enjoy it from the comfort of your own home, your personal device, desktop computer.
Canvas is very simple and easy to use. You can find perfectly where is the videos, the documentation, the agenda, all the tasks that have to be done. And you feel supported constantly by the academic assistants, the faculty, the classmates. Also communication tools such as direct messages, forums, seminars bring us in contact in a daily basis. Social learning is very present, and they even incorporate social networks within the campus. What makes it really easy for me to study in Zigurat Institute is that now I can combine my work and my studies. The fact that it is online and that Canvas adapts to all the devices allows me to participate in live classes, network sessions, master classes of experts from home, from the train, or even from the bar. I'm very satisfied with my experience, and I can see my evolution on a daily basis, and what is more important, all this is reflected in my professional life. Now I'm able to provide better solutions, I feel qualified to face new challenges, and I have generated a global network of professionals in my sector.